here to celebrate National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February every year in India with great enthusiasm. National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the great invention of Raman effect by great physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, popularly known as Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his invention of Raman effect in the year 1930. Raman effect is the effect of scattering of light when passing through different materials. His invention has marked a great invention in the history of India. So children, let us know more about Sir C.V. Raman. He was born on 1988 in the Tiruchirappalli district of Tamil Nadu. He was a gold medalist from the Madras University in physics. Later, he joined as a professor in physics in Kolkata University. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for the invention of Raman effect. Later, he was awarded Bharat Ratna, one of the prestigious awards of India, for his contributions in the field of physics for our country. He was one of the first Indian directors of Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. He was the founder of Indian Academy of Science and has trained thousands of students in the field of science. According to him, science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. So children, to honor his invention and his contributions to our country in the field of science, Government of India has decided to celebrate 28th February as National Science Day. So children, National Science Day in India is celebrated every year with a theme. Last year theme was Women Empowerment in Science. This year, as our country is going through a pandemic, the theme of this year is Science with the Society Facing Through Pandemic. So, National Science Day always gives opportunities to the science-minded citizens of India. Government organizes different programs for the new generations to show their talent in the field of science. Government also provides prizes for the new scientists who are showing their talent in the field of science. The Minister of Science and Technology also gives on his speech on science for the children. The universities, colleges and schools also organize different programs on this day. They organize programs like science exhibitions, science carnivals, science talent show and debates and quizzes on different topics of science. This gives opportunities for the younger generation to show their talent on science. Government also provides awards for the Young Scientist of the Year. This gives more chance for young generation to show their ideas and inventions to our country. National Science Day is celebrated every year to improve the science thinking of new generation. So children, let us pay tribute to the great physicist Sir C.V. Raman on this day. He was a great physicist and his contribution has marked a great part of our Indian history. So children, according to him, science is the most important power of knowledge. So children, let us remember his words on this day. The essence of science is hard work and independent thinking and not on equipments. And children, you are the future generation of our country. Let us think independently and work hard for the betterment of our country in all the fields. So children, wish you all a happy National Science Day. Let us all work independently and work hard for the betterment in the field of science for our country, India. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.